YERR, it's me, Drew, back with another video, and this is a 200 special for, it's February, but somehow it's 40 degrees, so, and one of the coldest states, too, that we're in Minnesota, so I'm gonna do a little POV bike ride because it's warm enough, and yeah, let's get to it. Yep. Alright, so, my bike is all the way in the back of my house, so I'm gonna have to go all the way around. And I got a new mount too, as you can see. Now I'm using the chest mount. But before, my foot. But before, I had the head mount, but my head mount broke. So now, yeah, I'm using this kind. I still have the hat mount, I just don't use it no more. But yeah, I'm using the chest mount now, because I bought it somewhere. I bought it at Best Buy, yeah. I bought it at Best Buy. Yeah, I got my bike back too, so we might get some action. Yo, we're gonna be riding around, and also I didn't mention, but thank you guys so much for 200 subscribers. Yeah, this is part 1 of the special. There will be a part 2, which will be a gaming video. So yeah, when we bring that, we'll bring that. But for now, I'm gonna do this first. So yeah. Oh shoot. Oh no, I made it. We made it. Alright, let's go. Yeah, we got our chest mount on. So, pretty good. The way a little dude driving like that. Bro, I can always hear the dogs in the background, bro. I could have sworn all winter, bro, they dogs wasn't even out, and now they want to bring their dogs out. And I'm riding on the sidewalk, unless usually I ride on the street because I'm still trying to learn. It's my first ride since I'd say about September or November, I don't know. September and November, that's my first ride since then. And it's February now. I was surprised this warm in February, bro, that's fast. That's crazy. I'm over here. I thought I was over here seeing this brick outside now. It's hot now. I don't know if my chest mount is good. It's like in the right spot, but I'll try to make it look good. Try my best. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for 100 subscribers. And there will be a lot more. Yeah, next will be a gaming video, and then I don't know what be going on next, but after the gaming video, I don't know, but that might be it. Oh yeah, and if you haven't subscribed to my second channel, I'm gonna be posting just some random videos on there. I'll put it in the description and on the screen right now. It's Extra Drew YT. And there's a dog with no leash. I'm not going over there. He must stay. Oh, stay back. Must stay instead. So, yeah. I'm just be riding around. Oh my gosh. Yo, I'm getting better at this already. No, I just got this. We're back. So yeah, we're back with the bike videos, so yeah. And my scooter, I got it back, but I don't feel like doing that right now. So yeah, I'm gonna just be waiting. So I hope it's good right now, cause I can't really see what it looks like. So I'm just recording right now. So I'll put it right here, so you can see in front. So y'all can see in front of me. It's not just the handlebars, cause yeah, every time I make the mistake of not being able to, 5% tint, bro, that is illegal. You can't be doing that. Hold on. Yeah. You got it. Oh my God. Why all the cars want to come now? I'm wearing 2 jackets right now, but it's 40. That makes no sense. But no, I might wear my second jacket like halfway on, but y'all can't see the whole fit. Cooking up in Zaga. Now I'm gonna go this way. Matter of fact, I'm gonna take my favorite trail. So I'm gonna go on the street. Ooh, my foot almost fell off the pedal. Oh yeah, good girl. Doom, 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 doom. Why are they hogging the damn trail? Yo, I don't want to go on there anymore. I might have to go all the way around. And they got dogs too, bro. Y'all know I'm scared of dogs. Well, y'all didn't know that until now, but I'm gonna have to go around, but again. Yeah. But I don't take the whole goddamn. What? Oh, well. I think I have to trail. Does I have a leash or else I might be off? I'll throw them bikes. Alright, I made it. At least they know how to control the dogs. Yo, hold on, I'm blocking the camera because I'm seeing something that probably would get me demonetized. Alright, I just saw something crazy. I'm gonna go this way because there's like a low hill right here. I haven't walked in a while. I'm gonna just walk it, so I'm gonna like cut the video out, like this part of the video. Here's what the fuck word has to say. Cooking up and vlogging. Alright, bro, let me tell you. I'm finna get copyrighted, bro. I don't even know what I'm saying right now. I'm just yapping into it. Oh yeah, by the way, I might be getting a dirt bike sometime during the summer. You guys can obviously tell it's winter because there's no leaves whatsoever on the trees, except well, pine trees don't count because they don't have leaves, but there's no leaves. And it's dry, so you can see that the ground is dry. Oh my goodness. I can't believe I made it. Is it good? Alright. First thing gets made to a jacket. He left our trunk open. I think he forgot that, but I'm not gonna go to that. He left his trunk open back there, but I'm good. And you know I'm gonna have to go all the way back. I only turned here because there was a guy behind me, and I didn't want him to come all the way here. And then, yeah, because I'm on a bike too. So I'm gonna go back. Oh, you saw that? Well, no, that wasn't really good of viewing, but it was something though. Well, bro left his trunk open. I don't know. Can I close it for him? Hold on. Oh, he just has a bunch of wood in there. Why is there a push pop in the grass? Alright, bro could have just went there. If he came from there, he could just. Especially because he lived right here, bro. That's a waste of, oh my gosh. Either he wanted us to take the extra trip or something's wrong with him. Or he just didn't know. Or he just missed his turn because he was old. Let me just. Alright, yeah. See, thank God it's 200. Once we get 500, I might like. That's when I'll like do like crazy stuff. Like that's when I'll like be going more places with my GoPro. Like I might be going like all the way down Woodbury or something with the GoPro or something like that. So I don't really go that far. I'll bike from here. One hand. But yeah, I got a new GoPro mount. It's the Chester one. So then, yeah. And if I go like that, then it'll just go down, like just in case I see it. Like, I don't know. This way, for sure. I'm not going that way. Oh my goodness. I haven't been on this bike for like 4 months. Bro, this 4 months winter, bro. That's actually sad. 4-month winter. Ooh. I don't want to. Yeah, check the drip though. Like, hold on, wait, I'm finna show y'all my shoes. Yeah, check the shoes, y'all. I got those Yeezy 490s with the gray sweats and black socks. And I have a gray foot on. Yo. Oh shoot, my camera's still down, hold on. Yeah. I might go back soon in the house, but it's getting cold. It's getting a little cold. Bro, I don't need no idea, bro. Y'all let me know how good this is. Cause I don't know what it looks like until I review the recording. And I'm not gonna review it till like Friday. Actually, no. Yesterday was Friday, no, till like Monday. Cause today's Saturday. Yeah, today's Saturday. I'm about to go to my backyard and put my book away. Oh. Now I'll go here. Shoot. Might as well hit the streets for a while. And then come back in. And I'm sorry if I kept having to move the camera down. It's because I can't see it and I'm trying to get the best camera angle for y'all. Yeah. Alright, y'all. Alright, hold on, y'all. Yeah, now I gotta bring my bike up here. Ugh. Well, I'm hearing stuff. Yo, look at this, bro. This ain't new. I said, ugh. Turn it this way. Move it up like this. Oh, almost fell, but I'm good. Y'all see how I'm trying to do this, bro? Like, I'm over here struggling just hook my bike up. I made it. Oh yeah, this football journey, my football journey is going good. Oh yeah, I'm gonna start recording when I play football, but it's still winter, so I'll start recording my football stuff during the summer or the spring. Oh yeah, I'm pretty sure spring is when my football stuff starts, so yeah. Alright, hold on. Damn, why am I walking like this? It's not even cold. I'm gonna take the jacket off now. Y'all can't even see nothing. Alright. Oh yeah, none of y'all gonna see my hair. Oh yeah, by the way, none of y'all are ever gonna see my hair. Last time I showed my hair was like a while ago. But I'm not gonna be showing my hair no more. So yeah, all I'm gonna say is, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thank you guys for 100 subscribers. Peace out. I reply to every comment. Deuces. Oh yeah, you guys, once again, thank you guys so much for 200 subscribers. There will be a part 2 for the special. It will be a gaming video with my cousin, and yeah. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and peace out. I reply to every comment.